Finally, 7 of the best waterfront places to dine when you get down here close to Myrtle Beach.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today we're counting down the top 7 best places to eat on the waterway around Myrtle Beach for 2024 and 2025.
This will include waterfront restaurants anywhere from Myrtle's Inlet to Little River. So when you book your vacation anywhere along the Grand Strand here at the beach, you'll have multiple options to choose from.
If you like great food with a view,
this list is ranked solely by us as we traveled the beach this past year.
That's right, we'll step out of our comfort zone so you don't have to. With that being said, let's go count them down.
Starting our list at number 7 is Walters on the Water. Walters is located at 1950 Wachesaw Road, Myrtle's Inlet, South Carolina at the Waka Wache Marina. This marina is one of the more popular ones on the south end. However, it's the food at Walters that placed this one on our countdown. The dishes are a little on the higher end, but we found that each plate was delicious. They offer anything from seafood and salads to steaks and pasta, and being a full bar, you can get your favorite drinks while watching the boats cruise by. In fact, the views here are amazing. This is considered one of just a handful of places along the Grand Strand that you can catch a beautiful sunset. So if eating delicious food on the waterway with outstanding views is something you may like when you get down here close to Myrtle Beach, then Walters on the Water in Myrtle's Inlet may just be the place you want to try. Coming in at number 6 on our list is Toasty Breakfast House. Toasty is located at 9117 North Kings Highway in Myrtle Beach. This is one hoppin' place, especially during the peak season. They offer anything from omelets and skillets to burgers and entrees. And having several full bars, you can get a delicious Bloody Mary or one of the Strand's best mimosas around, all while taking in the great views and watercrafts traveling the waterway. Inside and outside seating is always available. So if having a great breakfast or lunch on the waterway is something you may like when you get down here close to Myrtle Beach, then Toasty in Myrtle Beach may just be the place you want to try. Following up at number 5 is Backyard Sports Bar and Grill. The Backyard is located at 9703 North Kings Highway, Myrtle Beach. You may want to write down that address because it's hard to see from the road. In fact, not too many non-locals know about it. The food is great, the music is on point, and the outside deck is large enough to have a large bar and dozens of tables. The deck sits right at the waterway, and you can watch boats cruising all hours of the day while eating your favorite lunch or dinner. They offer chicken wings, burgers, salads, and more. So come try the Backyard if you like sitting back with a cold drink, listening to great tunes, and eating delicious foods like wraps, bang bang shrimp, and Sammy's on the Waterway, one of the hidden gems of Myrtle Beach. Coming in at number 4 on our list is Snookies on the Water. Snookies on the Water is located at 4495 Baker Street, Little River, South Carolina. It's right at Cricket Cove Marina. Not only is this a popular stop while boating on this end of the waterway, but Snookies' menu is a seafood lover's dream. They offer anything from tons of raw bar items to fried calamari, gumbo, and burgers. And they don't skimp in the bar area either. So if you enjoy delicious food and drinks on the waterway while watching beautiful boats pull in and out of the marina when you get down here close to Myrtle Beach, then Snookies on the Water in Little River may just be the place you want to try. Popping in at number 3 is Local Bar and Kitchen on the Water. Local is located at 1525 13th Avenue North, North Myrtle Beach. Now this place is known for its great happy hour specials and their musical lineup. They have a live band playing most weekends during the off season and every single day during peak times. The back is designed with a partial amphitheater / open stage concept where the audience can be entertained from almost all seats on the outside. Local sits on the corner of the Atlantic Intracoastal Waterway and Marina Bay, which is the last stop of the lit Christmas boat parade that's put on each year for the Yachts for Tots. They serve everything from cedar plank salmon to New York strip. So if you're in the North Myrtle Beach area and looking to relax with a cornhole game, sit on the swings and watch the boats, or just have a cold drink and listen to some live bands near the fire, then head on over to Local on the Water. Sliding in at number 2 on our list is Captain Archies. Captain Archies is located at 2200 Little River Neck Road, North Myrtle Beach. This is a local's favorite. Here is a place where you can sit by the waterway and have some of the best food around. They offer everything from shrimp and steak to wings and burgers. The views as well as the food are amazing. In fact, we found Captain Archie's is our favorite place to get the Southwest egg roll here at the beach so far. So if you enjoy dining somewhere that specializes in drinks, food, live bands, and great views of the waterway, then look no more. Captain Archie's in North Myrtle Beach may just be the place you want to try. And finally, landing at number 1 on our countdown is the landing at the Boathouse. Or simply the Boathouse as the locals call it. It's located at 201 Fantasy Harbor Boulevard. This is a restaurant / brewery establishment that seems to get more popular each week. They have a giant inside stage and a floating stage on the waterway. They have multiple bars and plenty of seating for everyone, inside and out. You can listen to the bands while sitting at an outside table, or sitting on the grassy bank, or pull up in a boat and enjoy the sounds. For food, they offer everything from seafood samplers to fried oysters, burgers, salads, and more. And being a full bar with their own brewery, you can get your favorite drinks while watching the boats cruise by, listening to some great local music. or just hang out with your friends. So when you get down here close to Myrtle Beach, you may just want to come by and check out the boathouse, only if you like good food mixed with fun. Well, there you have it, 7 of the best waterfront places to dine when you get down here close to Myrtle Beach. If you would like to explore any of these in more detail, we've linked each individually down below. We hope you found this list helpful when planning your next trip this way. If so, how about give us a big thumbs up and please subscribe so you can learn more about the beach, so you can keep beaching.
And we'll see you in the next video.